Welcome back to the Google Keith podcast, where we answer your tech questions and break down the best how-to guides from our growing knowledge base. Today we're exploring something that affects everyone who uses a computer, phone, tablet, or all three. Let me ask you something. Have you ever reused the same password for more than one account? Written it down on a sticky note? Or worse, used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or password as your actual password? Yeah, we've all been there. But today, we're going to fix that. Let's start with the basics. A password manager is a tool that stores all your passwords in one secure place. You only need to remember one strong master password, and the manager takes care of the rest, filling in login forms, generating strong passwords, and syncing across your devices. There are three main types of password managers. Browser-based, like Chrome or Edge or Safari's built-in tools. Standalone apps, like 1Password or Bitwarden. Cloud-based services, like Dashlane or NordPass. So instead of juggling 50 different logins, or worse, using the same one everywhere, you let the password manager do the heavy lifting. Now, why should you care? Here's the deal: stronger passwords. These tools generate complex, unique passwords for every account. Convenience. You don't have to remember every password, just one. Cross-device access. Whether you're on your laptop, phone, or tablet, your logins are always with you. Phishing protection. A password manager won't autofill your info on fake websites. Time saving. Logging in becomes a breeze. It's like having a digital bodyguard for your online life. Alright, let's talk options. Here are some of the best password managers as of this publishing, especially for casual users. 1Password, best overall. Super easy to use, great security, and family sharing. Bitwarden, best free option. Open source, secure, and generous with features. NordPass, best for extras. Built by the NordVPN team, includes password health checks. Dashlane, best for security tools. Comes with a VPN and dark web monitoring. ProtonPass, best for privacy. Created by ProtonMail, with email aliasing and strong encryption. Each of these works across devices and offers both free and premium plans. Setting up a password manager is easier than you think. Here's a quick how-to guide. Download the app from the official website or app store. Create a strong master password. This is the only one you'll need to remember. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for extra protection. Import your existing passwords from your browser or another manager. Start adding new logins as you go. Here's a pro tip. Use a passphrase for your master password, something long, memorable, and unique. Even the best password manager can't protect you if you don't use it wisely. So here are some best practices. Don't share your master password. Turn on biometric login, like Face ID or fingerprint, on your phone. Keep your app updated. Don't store your master password in your browser or Notes app. Watch out for phishing emails. Use 2FA on your most important accounts, like email and banking. Now, what if your password manager gets hacked? It's rare, but here's what to do. Change your master password immediately. Reset or enable 2FA. Check your accounts for suspicious activity. Update passwords for sensitive accounts. If the breach is serious, consider switching services. Let's hit a few quick tech questions we get all the time. Can password managers be hacked? Technically yes, but it's extremely rare, especially with strong encryption and 2FA. Are free password managers safe? Many are. Bitwarden and ProtonPass are great free options. Just make sure they're well reviewed and open source if possible. What if I forget my master password? Some services offer recovery options, but many don't. Write it down and store it in a safe place, or use a trusted contact. Using a password manager is one of the easiest and smartest ways to protect your digital life. Whether you're managing a few accounts or hundreds, these tools simplify your online experience while keeping your data safe. At Google Keith, we're here to answer your tech questions and provide how-to guides that make technology easier to understand. This episode is part of our growing knowledge base, designed to help everyday users stay informed and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and check out more guides at googlekeith.com. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and keep your passwords protected.